Hi everybody, I'm Alex and today I'm going to be showing you an amazing apartment which we just completed and we're putting on the market. Come on in. This property is 270 square meters or 2,900 square feet. And as soon as you walk in the living room, you just see this amazing volume due to the high ceilings and the curtain windows going all around the space. Here in the living room, we have the beautiful Trussardi furniture with a fireplace, which is on, very perfect for this snowy day, and the picture frame TV above it. Some of my favorite things about this apartment are the beautiful fireplace with this solid marble mantelpiece, which really fits the space very well, I think. These grand windows that you can slide open in the summer and get your living room to be indoor, outdoor. And a little detail that we've hidden, the nowadays mandatory work from home space, which in this case is filled with light because it's right opposite of these amazingly large windows. We're in the kitchen now. The kitchen was done for us by an amazing factory in Italy called Brumel. We have a double fridge over here. We have these really cool pocket doors that reveal the hidden part of the kitchen. We have the island with the oven and the cooktops. And over here we have the dining area. The lighting above it is from Reflex, a beautiful Italian producer of lighting. And another one of my very favorite pieces of furniture in this apartment, this super cool wine display. If you now follow me, I will show you the bedrooms of the property. We are here in the master bedroom. This is the walk-in closet area, which as you can see is almost as big as a bedroom itself. You have this great island in the middle of the space that you can do all your accessories, ties, belts, cufflinks, whatever. You have a ton of storage underneath, a lot of drawers, and over here is the master bath. This light that you see, this stone, is actually fossilized semi-precious stone that is backlit. It's very special. It's a very rare material. You have the shower on that end and the toilet on the other. Here you have more storage, shelving for your handbags, ladies. And over here we have the master bedroom. Now, master bedroom has amazing exposure, floor-to-ceiling windows as throughout the whole apartment, and this beautiful Vispring bed, handcrafted in London, on which I can guarantee you're gonna sleep like a baby. So come on in. This is the guest bed of the property. Basically same material, same kind of concept as we did for the whole property. Vispring beds, beautifully upholstered headboard, the floor-to-ceiling windows, the upholstered doors of the cabinetry. And over here we have a little secret. This is a little walkway that gives you access to the ensuite for this bathroom. We're now back in the living room, and as if everything else that I told you so far wasn't enough, I would like to share that this property has a wraparound terrace, beautiful terrace that gives you incredible views. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm going home now. Okay, Google, I'm going out.